Hello and welcome to my channel That Finance Girl. In today's video, we are going to learn all about what shares or stocks are and why they are issued. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. In today's lesson, we'll discuss the following. What is a share or a stock? Why do companies issue shares? And why do people buy shares? So make sure to stick around right until the end. What is a share or a stock? Let's understand this with an example. Meet Mr. Gupta. He is the founder promoter of Company XYZ. The company has been doing exceedingly well. Over the last 5 years, it has consistently been generating high revenue and profits. Mr. Gupta wants to expand the business and estimates that an additional $5 million would be required to do so. Let's assume that Company XYZ issues 500,000 fresh shares at $10 each. A share represents part ownership of a company. A share can also be called stock or equity. All three terms refer to the same concept and are often used interchangeably. Let's say that a young investor, Rohan, sees great potential in Company XYZ and decides to buy 500 shares of the company. This means that he now owns a portion of Company XYZ. In other words, Rohan is now a shareholder of Company XYZ. As a shareholder, he has a right to vote in shareholders' meetings and also to receive dividends. Some companies choose to distribute a portion of their earnings to their shareholders. This is known as a dividend. Why do companies issue shares? In simple terms, companies issue shares to raise funds. In the earlier example, we saw that Company XYZ decided to issue shares in order to raise capital for its expansion. There are two main ways in which a company can raise capital: debt or equity. In order to raise capital through debt, Company XYZ had the option of borrowing money from a bank. However, taking a bank loan would have increased the company's liabilities. Furthermore, the bank would charge interest on the loan amount which the company would be required to pay. Hence, Company XYZ chose to raise the funds required through equity financing, which means raising capital by issuing shares. Why do people buy shares? People buy shares so that they can grow their wealth over time. Although investing in stocks is riskier than other investment avenues, it offers higher returns and is a great way to outpace the ever-increasing inflation levels. Besides, thorough research and analysis of the companies one plans to invest in can significantly help minimize the risk. Let's go back to our previous example. Let's say that 2 years have passed and Company XYZ has been performing very well with both top line and bottom line growing at a healthy pace. This has caused its share price to appreciate from $10 to $20. As you may recall, Rohan had purchased 500 shares of Company XYZ at $10 per share, thus investing $5,000 in the company. Today, his investment has grown to $10,000. That is, the value of his investment has doubled. Now, if he were to sell his shares at this price, he would earn a return of 100% on his investment. However, if the company had suffered losses causing its share price to depreciate, Rohan too would have lost money. Sometimes companies go bankrupt and investors end up losing their entire investment. A common strategy that stock investors follow is buy low and sell high. This means that they aim to buy shares when the prices are low and sell them when the prices go up, thus making a profit. However, share prices don't always go up. Sometimes they may go down or remain the same. Hence, it is said that stocks carry a high degree of risk. However, there are ways to mitigate this risk. Proper research into a company's background and a thorough analysis of its future growth prospects is bound to hold you in good stead as far as stock investments are concerned. I hope this video helped you understand what shares are and what purpose they serve. If you liked today's lesson, do give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.